There are 3 things that can be blocking you from getting a real credit limit.
Yes.
Even when your score is 680 or better, pain point number 1. You keep getting $500 limits on cards that should be giving you $5,000. Look, that kind of starting limit is an absolute joke.
That's right. So let's talk about pain point number 2.
Yeah.
Every time you apply, the bank runs your credit and it's a hard inquiry. Your score drops 5 to 10 points, whether you're approved or denied.
Right.
So you stop applying automatically. Yeah. You stay stuck, money magnets.
All right, pain point number 3. The banks that do give you the big limits drag the approval process out for days and weeks. You apply on Monday, you're still waiting on Friday, you give up and you start using cash.
That's facts. But today we're putting TD Bank head to head with PNC.
Yeah. 2
of the biggest banks in America. Both approved $25,000 credit cards with a 680 credit score. But one of them is significantly faster and they won't hit your credit before you commit. Let's see who wins, Marvin. And before we name the winner, I'm going to give you the one question you should ask the loan officer that bumps you from $5,000 approval to a $25,000 approval.
Yeah.
So stick around, money magnets.
All right, guys, let's start with TD. TD Bank has 4 cards on the personal side. Okay. Card number 1 is the TD Double Up. It has 2% cash back on every purchase, no annual fee, $200 sign-up bonus after spending $1,500 in the first 90 days. Minimum credit score around 670.
Okay, let's talk about card number 2, the TD Flex Pay. Okay, this is the balance transfer card with 0% APR for 18 billing cycles on balance transfer. That right there can be a cash flow changer. There's no rewards, but the math on consolidating high interest debt is brutal. In your favor, money magnets, a 670 plus FICO minimum and credit limits on approval is $500.
All right, card number 3, the TD Cash It offers 0% for 15 billing cycles after opening up your account.
Yes.
Remember, TD pulls Experian. You can earn $200 cash back bonus when you spend $1,000 within 90 days after opening your account.
Okay, let's jump into card number 4, the TD First Class Visa Signature. Now you earn 25,000 bonus miles when you spend $3,000 in the first 6 billing cycles, okay? Right. That's 3 times the points in the first class miles on travel and on dining purchases, and 1 time the points on first class miles on all other purchases, which is not bad. TD Bank got you though. They pull a soft pull qualification on every application. That means a soft pull pre-approval options. So if you can't pre-qualify without a hard inquiry, why not?
Exactly. All right, guys, stop for 1 second. If you've been waiting on a head-to-head comparison that tells you the truth instead of selling you on whichever bank pays the highest commission, and mind you, we're not getting paid by either bank. I need you guys to subscribe right now.
Yes.
Ring the bell because every Thursday and Sunday, we drop a real comparison or we drop a credit union on this channel.
Now, PNC, same exercise. PNC has 4 cards now on the personal side.
All right, card number 1, we got the PNC Cash Unlimited Visa Signature. Okay. All right, they got 2% unlimited cash back. It's $250 sign-up bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months after opening up your account. No annual fee, 0% for 15 months on balance transfers. And here's the differentiator here. Every approval is guaranteed a minimum of a credit line of $5,000. PNC publishes that on their website. Approval starts at $5,000 if you approve.
Okay, let's talk about card number 2. The PNC Cash Reward Visa card, okay? They do 4% cash back on gas, 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on everything else. You get a $200 sign-up bonus after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, okay? The starting limit for approved card holders typically start at $500 all the way up to $15,000.
All right, card number 3, the PNC SpendWise. All right, this is the low cost, no rewards, $500 minimum credit line on approval, and it had 0% for 18 months on balance transfers. That's huge if you got a lot of debt.
PNC is great if you have existing debt and you need a 0% balance transfer.
All right, guys, drop PNC in the comments. Look, if you didn't know about the guaranteed $5,000 on the Cash Unlimited, that alone can change the game for some people that want to go from $500 to $5,000.
I agree. But here's the part TD and PNC don't put in their billboard. So keep this in mind, Money Magnets. Okay. PNC has a soft pull pre-qualification tool, you know what I'm saying, where you get pre-approved. You go to their website, you check if you're pre-approved before you apply, Money Magnets, and it doesn't touch your credit report. Zero impact.
All right, Gloria, just so you know, TD Bank has that also. So I think a lot of these banks are tired of us disputing inquiries. Maybe they want to avoid the labor costs of answering all those inquiries they get when people want to dispute them.
I agree. So for someone who has a 680 FICO score and you're worried about taking a hard inquiry hit on your report, PNC and TD Bank are low risk applications. Okay. So you get pre-approved or pre-qualified to see what the offer is.
Exactly.
And you only commit if the number is what you want, Money Magnets.
That's right.
Now wait until I tell you which one funds the approved limit faster. Okay. So the answer really surprised me when I tested this, Barb.
Okay, but here's the speed breakdown. TD Bank application to instant decision is about 5 minutes if you approve. The physical card arrives in about 7 to 10 days. Digital card access for use online usually is about 1 to 2 business days.
Not bad. But PNC pre-qualification soft pull takes about 30 seconds. And the application decision is about 3 to 5 minutes. That's not bad.
No.
Now, let's talk about the physical card, which arrives in 7 to 10 business days. The digital card access is the same day if you bank with PNC already. But if you don't, 1 to 2 business days if you don't bank with them. You can
So now looking at this, PNC and TD Bank are tied on the front end because of the soft pull pre-qualification.
Yes.
You know your offer before you commit. That's the speed advantage that actually matters. Now, I need you guys to drop the fire emoji in the comments if you already have a PNC checking account, because for you, the whole process is even faster. PNC gives existing customers priority underwriting.
Okay. Now, here's the question I promised at the start. Whether you apply at TD or PNC, when you get the first approval offer, you do not accept it immediately, Money Magnets. You call the credit card department. Marvin, tell the Money Magnets what to ask them word for word when they call.
All right, guys, here's what you say. You say, hey, Mr. PNC Banker, can you do a manual review on my application based on my income and my debt to income ratio for a higher starting limit?
Okay, and what that does is that put a human person on the file, okay? The initial offer is an algorithm, Money Magnets. A human can override it. We've seen $5,000 algorithm approvals jump all the way to $20,000 and $25,000 after a manual review. Especially if your DTI is under 30% and your income is very strong.
Look, I always say this to my wife all the time. Never accept the first offer. Always ask for a review or get somebody else to look at it to make sure you're getting the highest starting limit you possibly can.
Okay, Money Magnets, what I want you to do is comment manual below if you're going to ask that question on the next application.
That's right.
We're going to feature the best limit increases on the next week's live.
All right, so Gloria, who wins? Give us the honest answer.
For pure speed, on a 680 FICO score, PNC. The soft pull pre-qualification means you know your offer in 30 seconds without risking your credit score. That's important. The guaranteed $5,000 floor on the Cash Unlimited means even a low approval is still $5K, not $500. Okay. But I would start a checking account before applying.
All right, for best reward structure, it's a little bit closer. The PNC Cash Rewards 4321 card beats the TD Double Up in categories you spend in. TD Double Up beats PNC Cash Rewards if you're a flat rate shopper.
Okay, but this is what I like. For balance transfers, TD Flex Pay wins because it has 18 billing cycles at 0% APR.
Yeah.
This is one of the lowest intro offers on the market right now, okay?
Right.
It has late fee forgiveness as well.
Yep, but for the 680 borrower trying to hit 25,000 the fastest, I like the PNC soft pull guaranteed $5,000 floor.
Okay.
Ask for the manual review, and you're walking out with a real car in about 5 minutes.
I like
guys.
that.
I like that myself. And if you're a 700 plus FICO and you're trying to stack TD and PNC and maybe even a credit union for a 6-figure combined profile, I have a different conversation for you guys. Stay tuned.
Okay, now, if you're at a 700 FICO score or higher and you're ready to actually stack TD Bank, PNC Bank, and a credit union on the same week for a 6-figure combined credit profile, we're here to invite you to a free business strategy call.
All right, this call is for 700 plus only. We're inviting you to this call. We don't take any calls below 700 because that's the score where we can actually build a real stack without burning up your personal credit profile with a bunch of inquiries.
Most definitely. So for the people in the back, 700 and up, okay? Book the call, Money Magnets.
Yeah.
The link is in the description, pinned at the top of the comments. Below 700, do not book, please, this call because build your credit score first. Watch the next video. Come back when you're ready because we'll be here.
All right, before we let you go, one more problem. A lot of you are watching and thinking, okay, I'll get the PNC card, but what about a personal loan for $50,000 or maybe even $100,000? Where do I go for that?
Okay, that's the video on the screen right now, Money Magnets. We found 3 credit unions giving anyone a $100,000 personal loan for a $5 membership.
Yeah.
3 credit unions, 6-figure ceiling, $5 to join, all 50 states. Click that thumbnail before you forget, okay?
And remember, guys, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.